In this instructional video, I will demonstrate the solution to the issue of apps not being deleted on your iPhone. If you attempt to delete an app from your iPhone and the delete option is not available, it indicates that your device is configured to prevent the deletion or uninstallation of downloaded apps. To re-enable the delete option, follow these steps. Access your iPhone's Settings application. Within the Settings menu, locate and select the Screen Time option. On the Screen Time page, select the Content and Privacy Restrictions option. Choose the iTunes and App Store Purchases option. Under the Deleting Apps section, select the Allow option. By enabling this setting, all downloaded apps will be allowed to be uninstalled or deleted at any time. When you long press on any app icon, the delete option will be available. Additionally, this feature helps prevent accidental deletion of apps on your iPhone. This simple solution effectively addresses the issue of apps not deleting on your iPhone.